Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a super cute short press-on set for Valentine's Day that literally anyone can do, and I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. These are just some super short round makartt nails, and I'm going to be making a set of press-ons for Valentine's Day. I never really do short nails, but I figured they'll look super cute with the design I have in mind, and if I should add a charm, they're gonna look really cute. So I buffed them out. I'm using this nude pink jelly gel from Savvyland. It is swatched in my swatch videos, but you're gonna see it here obviously. So let's start out with one coat and see what we're looking like. Oh my gosh, these are so tiny. Yeah, I think one coat's gonna be perfect. I always do that and I cross my arm over where I'm filming. Sorry. I'm gonna try and not do that anymore. I really like Valentine's Day nails. I just think that the style of nails that I tend to gravitate towards, like kawaii, cutesy, like colorful pinks, purples, like it's just perfect for my preference. So I might as well have a little bit of fun with it while I can. What do you guys think of this filming angle? Is it too close? Is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. Let me know. So after this, I'm gonna cure it and we're gonna move on. So I cured that. It's a really nice nude base color. So what I'm gonna do next is take my trusty palette that is from the Dollar Tree. It came in like a pack of 3. I'm going to take, I think, this brush, a long nail art brush, and I want to take some of these colors. I want to use a baby pink, a red, and a hot pink, and I want to do some swirls. So I'm just going to put some of each color down. I'll take more if I need it. Alright, let's start with the red. I'm definitely going to need more. It's okay. And I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I did have someone comment that they like to use modelones for nail art, and honestly, they do work really well. They have a really nice consistency. So obviously I don't want every nail to be the same. That looks pretty cute. I'm gonna cure that for a minute, I think, and I'm gonna add more red because I want to do the red on the other hand before I clean my brush off. I actually like that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cure this, and I'm going to add some more little thingies to this one. To clean off my brush, I'm gonna just take some regular nail polish remover. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. This is just what I do, and it seems to work. I'll clean it better at the end. This brush I got in a huge pack with like dotting tools and stuff from Temu or Shein. I don't know, but you can get such a good deal and it works really, really well. And excuse the fact that I cut these down and ripped one off. I was really bad. Yes. So if you like these nails, I did do a tutorial on them and I will link it down below or in a pinned comment. Did those cure it? We're gonna be fine. These are cute. Okay, now let's do some hot pink. I never put enough in the palette. I don't really have a rhyme or reason to how I'm doing this. I'm doing random lines that I think look cute. And I like how it's like a little bit raised. So 30 seconds for that. Here's what we got so far. Cute. Like, they're so pigmented, this baby pink is able to go over the red. So that's pretty nice. I definitely recommend modelones. I like that they're all different, so I'm gonna top coat them with my favorite top coat that I show in like every single video. And okay, so here they are all finished and top coated. I was going to put charms on them, but I changed my mind, which I'm really shocked about. I think they're super cute, just like this. I absolutely love that base color. Let me know what you think down below. I hope this was helpful for a super simple Valentine's Day set for you guys. Obviously you don't have to do it as a set of press-ons. You can do it as Gel X, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in the next video. I love you.